In this video, we'll show you how to stop a CurseForge Modpack from crashing. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if your modpack keeps crashing when you launch it or just closes without any clear reason, I'll show you how to fix it. So first, let's start with the basics. You can try to restart CurseForge, and if there's any update, you should go ahead and update your CurseForge. If you're running the latest version, the crashes might be caused by the modpack itself. Alright, before we continue, a quick shout out to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're playing modpacks with friends and dealing with crashes on your own PC, using a server can actually help a lot. With Apex Hosting, you're not relying on your own computer to handle everything, and you don't have to deal with port forwarding or complicated setup. They make it easy to run modded servers like Forge or Fabric. If you want to check them out, the link is in the description and pinned in the comments. If you use their service, you're supporting the channel, so thank you so much. So for example here, let's say the one that keeps crashing is this modpack. Let's go to the page, and then from here you want to hover to the right and click this 3 dots. And then you want to go to profile options, and here under memory settings, you're going to select recommended by author. So for this modpack here, it's 8 GB by default. And if it's still crashing on you, you can try to allocate more RAM. Select custom RAM allocation and then set it to, let's say, 10 GB. Hit done and try to launch it again. Now, if it's crashing after you install custom mods, you want to go to the content tab and try to uninstall those mods. The easiest way to do this is by clicking the 3 dots again, and then this time you're going to select repair profile. It'll reinstall the mod pack, and after it's done, you can try to launch it again. Another thing you can do is to update the mod pack. You can click the 3 dots again and then click on change version. Now here select update to the latest version and hit continue. Wait a bit for it to finish, and after it's done, you can try to launch it again, and that's it.